Hello. Today we are going to see one more interesting topic. We know that extend report is providing logs. You can create a Selenium a custom report through extend report. Right now, suppose if you wanted to update this whatever the comment which you have accumulated for the test cases. Suppose if you wanted to use it in Testrail or Jira or somewhere you need to update it means. So you have to whatever the logs which you have gone through, everything you need it at handy to update it, right? So that portion now we are going to see. Okay, so now as a sample, what I'm going to show is, okay, so this is the, or let me show the sample application. Okay, this is a sample application which are going to use, okay. Bangalore, Bangalore means one search account will come. Chennai means one search account will come, and the next is Milan, which will bring a lot of search results. Okay, so this is the overall thing. So what I have written is, so okay, test.info. So I have created one um, uh, external report. So these are all already, which is known factor that you guys would be using. So now in the test cases, what I'm using is test.info, opening the URL, and the search value is Chennai, which I have given, and then review comment, which is nothing but this. So this review comment for Milan, which is 4.2. Okay, so now um, I'm just giving that. This is sample test case. You don't have to worry about the syntax and all. The usage. Okay, just wanted to show that how extend report you can take it. Okay, so search values given Chennai. Okay, so next thing is I'm print taking the review comment. Okay, and then at the end of the things, end of dream hotel test one. Okay, so dream hotel test one. So I have three more classes which is having a few more test cases. Okay, so now we are going to run this one. Okay, so first thing is okay, so I have created this one. So let me uh, close this. Okay, so now, okay, I'm going to run this test cases. So basically, it is going to run three test cases. So for all the three test cases, we have certain infos are there. So how exactly we have collected? So that let me show you before that. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so whenever you have a test, right? If you go here, you can see the whenever you give test kit, so it has a model. So if you click the model, then you can go the get logs. So this is the which is an list type. So that's the list type which we are passing to another method. So what it is going to do is we are going to give the steps is done and status code is one. So uh, so if you look at this, I'll show you that while printing. So how exactly it will come. So what exactly we are doing is the get model, that list will be having certain list which is status will be having, it will be having status, it will be having timestamp, and it will be having so basically if you look at this section report, right, you can see here. So it is status, timestamp, and details it will be having. So all the things we are going to get it, and then we are going to put it in the hash map. Whenever if you encounter fail means, then it is a fail. So because you need to update, if any one step is failed, it means that you have to update that test trial or something which is a failed one. So if any failure is encountered, then the status code will be changed to 5, and then you need to get the steps. So okay, that's the overall logic behind it. Okay, so at the, so what I am doing is I have paused the list to that method so that it will bring me the hash map, which is the status code and the step details. So I'm just printing the log details only. So if you go here, you can see that log details. So that log details only I'm going to print it. Okay. So let us run that. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the regression suite. So it's opening. Okay. So these three test cases has run. So let us see here report. Okay, so if you look at the report, you can see here, see this is the one, first report. So first, what I'm doing is info, right? So this is the opening the URL and then search values Chennai and the review comment is 3.1 and the uh, last comment is end of Dream Hotel test one. So this is the first test case uh, logs and the second test case logs is this one, opening URL, search values Milan and 4.2 hotel test 2 and the last third test case is opening again. You can see that Bangalore and 3.7 you can see here everything is passed. So at the end of things you can see here test 1 3 and past 3. Okay, so that's the thing overall. Okay. If you wanted to see that how exactly the list will come, that will actually help you. So I'll show that as well. Okay. So for one test case, I'll show you 6. Start get model dot get logs. Okay, just for purpose, I'm printing it here for one disk case. See, okay. So now I'm going to um, run that. Okay, so before that, let's clear that. Okay, regression. So now let us see this where exactly this test log is getting printed. Let's go here. Okay, so this is the things, right? You can see here, right? So this is the actual log which is printed, but for sample purpose, I have printed the test.info test.get model.get logs, right? This is a list. Okay, so that's we are going to see here. So this is the thing, right? Timestamp is the timestamp which is being used, and then status is info, and details is whatever the values which is used. So that's the thing. If any screenshot is there, means then the media will be having some value. So since we didn't print that, so this is the overall list which will come. So you can see here this 79, 22, 24, 24, 24, all the things you can see here. So that's the list. So with the another method, we are printing actually is a readable value. So that's the overall things. Okay. So thanks for watching this one. Mm, if you have any questions, you just put it in the comments. So thank you.